Hi everyone, so this is going to be a video tutorial on how to do a Mann-Whitney U test in SPSS. Once again, I'll be using the data from class, tutorial 9. And so we're going to be looking at part 2 where we have to do a Mann-Whitney U test. This particular exercise has us comparing two different drugs, drug A and drug B, and then these values represent pain levels on a scale of 1 to 10, where 1 is being mild discomfort and 10 being unbearable agony. We want to know whether one drug is more effective than the other. So the first thing that I'm going to do is copy this table into Excel. And I might just put it here. Now in order to transfer this data into SPSS, we have to set up two columns. And the first column is going to be drug. Second one is going to be pain level. Here we need to put in drug A and we have to do that 3 times. For the pain level. Then we do drug A again, and then we're going to go 4. Drug A, and of course we can use the fill down function, and we know we want 6 of them. So 4, 2, 6, 2, and 5. Then we do drug B, and that's going to be 6 as well. 3, 4, 5, 6. 9, 7, 5, 10, 6, and 8. So once we've done that, we can now pop this into SPSS. So let's save this sheet and we'll go into SPSS. We're going to open this file and we're going to choose drugs. Alright, so here we know the first column is going to be the type of drug, either drug A or drug B. And the second column is going to be pain level. But pain level needs to be measured on scale measure. Whereas drug can be left as nominal and it's string because we've got drug A and drug B and these are just letters. Now what we need to do is go to Analyze. Go to non-parametric tests and then independent samples. Here we are going to do a non-parametric test and we're going to customize the analysis. So we're going to click this and we're on the objective tab, and then we're going to move over to the fields tab, and here our test fields, and we're going to use custom field assignments. Our test fields are going to be the pain level, and our treatment group is going to be drug, like so. We then move on to the third tab, settings, and we want to customize this test, and we're going to select Mann-Whitney U 2 samples. We are then going to click Run. And it gives us our null hypothesis is that the distribution of pain level is the same across categories of drug. And we've used an independent samples Mann-Whitney U test. And our p-value is 0.009. So SPSS has actually told us now that we need to reject the null hypothesis. In other words, we're saying that the two drugs, the two pain levels from the two drugs are different. One thing to point out is that because we are using a non-parametric test, we're not looking at the means. Instead, we're actually looking at the medians, the rank order. So that is a nice tutorial on how to do a Mann-Whitney U test in SPSS. I'm hoping that will help you complete your assignment.